Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all in series of operating system. Yesterday, we had seen some basic commands of Linux. I am using that Ubuntu terminal. So today we will see some of in addition of those commands. So as we know that when we use touch command and we try to create a file, suppose I am just using a touch command and suppose I am making file 3.txt. So this is the way that this file is going to be created. So if you will see, this file 3.txt is going to be created. Now, once you try to suppose just you type there in that file, India is the best country, and you just save it and minimize it, and then you try to just use that get command, get and file 3.txt. So India is the best country. It is just appearing on that terminal. So get is used for that purpose. You have to show it just used to show the content of any file. And for instance, in this command that we have created using touch command, file 3.txt, and then using get, I'm just printing India is the best country on terminal. So suppose I want to create just multiple files. Suppose I just create another file, touch file 4.txt, and then I just open that home, and here I just write east, west, and I just save it. And finally, I just minimize that one. And then I use get command. So here I am putting these two files of file 3.txt, file 4.txt, and then there is a greater than sign, and then output 1.txt. So this is the way this content of these two files, file 3 and file 4, that will go there in output 1.txt. So you can see India is the best country, east west. So this is the way that it is coming. Content of these two files you can copy into the third one. This is file 3, this is file 4, and merge, you just put it this content into this output.txt. So this is another beautiful use of this get if you talk about, and if you put it get output 1.txt, and you will see so that outcome is also appearing on terminal. So this is one of good use of that get command. Next is mkdir. This one is mkdir for make directory. So if you put it mkdir new one, so it will create, you can put it paste. So new one is going to be create this one. So you can create make directory in your that working directory that inside that. So if you put it new one, so that will is going to be appear over here, this one. So you can make it and using this mkdir command. Then if you just use rm, so remove commands is used to remove the specific file from a directory. For instance, any given that rm, if you just want to remove that file 3.txt, so if you put it ls, so see now file 3 is not appearing in this list. So this is the way you can remove that, and you can remove the empty directory as well, rm. So for that you have to use rmdir. Suppose I have created new one, so if you put it ls over there, so now see that new one is not appearing in this list. So this is the way that you can use this this particular rmdir. Then another command is cp command. The cp command will help you to copy any file or folder to any directory. So if you just want suppose cp, here we have file 4.txt, and you just want to put it in new 2. So if you see that file 4 is that will be available in new 2 folder. So this is the way this text file is there. So the cp command, it helps us to just move that, copy any file or given folder to any directory. So if you see that list ls and directory name ls, and suppose new 2 is directory, so you will see file 4.txt and new. This is the content of that given directory. So like that. So you can put it this also. And if you want to just copy the complete suppose folder, then you have to use this command cp new suppose you just want to create. So I am just making this one mkdir new 3 and then ls. So this new 3 is there. So I just want to copy this complete folder. Then cp new, then -r, and here is I am copying new 3 into new 2. So I am just putting -r and then new 2. So if you see, new 3 will be part of new 2 also. This is the way that it is coming. So this is good way of putting these all the commands over there. And you can use mv also if you use mv to move file around the computer, and you can make that also. If you just put it, suppose mv, and your file is file 4.txt, and then you want to put in new 3, suppose. So this way, now file 4.txt, that will go in new 3. So this is also you can do by using this. So these are basic